Hi guys. Let's see the how to extract the MFCC from the audio file. For that, there are basic three requirements. First requirement is we need Python install on our system. You can install any of the version. I am currently using Python 3.8.9. So this is the first requirement. The second requirement is there are two modules. First is speaker verification toolkit 0.0.2. So this is the first module, and the second module is Librosa 0.8.0. So we will require these two modules. You should previously install this on your system. Okay, so let's move toward the code. First of all, we are going to import these two modules. So I will write import speaker underscore verification underscore toolkit dot tools as svt. So first here we imported the speaker verification toolkit module. Then second, we are going to import the Librosa module. Okay, so next we are going to do is, first of all, we are going to load the audio file from our computer to the code. So for that we are going to use the Librosa module. So first we define a function data, then second variable is sr. SR means sampling rate, and next write Librosa dot load and give the path of an audio file in a single quotation. My file name is audio.wav. Then we are going to set the sample rate. Sample rate is 16,000. Then we should define mono is equal to true. Don't make any spelling mistakes. So we load the audio file into the program. Next we are going to remove the silence part from this audio file. For that we can write code as data is equal to svt. We previously defined svt as a speaker verification toolkit. So svt dot rms underscore silence underscore filter, and we give parameter as data. So this line will remove the silence part from the audio file. Then the second step is the extracting the MFCC values. So data is equal to svt speaker verification toolkit dot extract underscore MFCC. This is the built-in function in the speaker verification toolkit module. We are passing the parameter as data. So we are going to give the audio file to the extract underscore MFCC function. This function will give us the MFCC values, and the values are going to store in the data variable. So let's print the data variable. We can write it as the MFCC values are as follows. So I will give one \n so that the output will print on the next line. So just save it and let's run the program. I am using the Python. Ideally you can use either Visual Studio Code or PyCharm or Anaconda, whichever is available on your PC or laptop. So let's load the file, extract underscore mcc.py. Here is the file which we created. So let's run the file. There is one mistake. It didn't mention the variable here. So you should mention the variable as data. Control S, and again rerun the program. So here you can see these are the values of MFCC from that audio file. So in this way you can extract the MFCC values from an audio file. MFCC values are the special features of that audio file. You can use them in machine learning. Nowadays it is a vast field of knowledge and growing day by day. So this will help you.